Chag Sameach, everybody! So, this morning we learned that on Purim we do 4 mitzvot. And today, you have already done 2. You did Matanot Levyonim in class this morning in form assembly. We gave tzedakah. And the second mitzvah we did was hearing the Megillah. And that was awesome, and this is going to be even better. What we're about to do is Mishloach Manot.
Alright, so how do we go about making our Mishloach Manot? So the year 12s in your classroom are going to hand you out a name of someone who you have to make the Mishloach Manot for. So you need to think about this person and think about what do they want in their Mishloach Manot. Alright, so first thing you need is everyone needs to take a bag. So get yourselves a bag. And now it's time for your first choice in your Mishloach Manot. So, does your person want little cookies or potato chips? Madrikin, please pause the video now and make the important choice. As you can see, I've chosen chips. I'm making for Joel, and Joel loves potato chips. So that's step 1 complete. Now for step 2.
Choice number 2 is between Taffy Pops and these delicious fruit snacks. Now I know Joel loves to be healthy, so I think I'm going to choose the fruit snacks. Madrachim, pause the video now so everyone else in your class can make their choices.
Alright, step 3, you have to choose between a fruit strip or a chocolate My Way. Now, I know Joel loves chocolate, so I'm going to choose a My Way. Now, Muds, pause the video and make your decision.
Ramos, Manegon moto Rata, Bushalamando Somoto, Balana, Busanamadoto, Konof, Onomona Rata, Bushanamosong Gara Rata.
Okay, we've done the food. Joel is going to be full after all his delicious treats, and we're up to our last step. What you're going to do now is you're going to grab a raffle ticket. So Joel has red C1. This is really important. Put it in the bag. Save it. When you get it, save it for the carnival because we're going to draw the raffle. There's some great prizes. Now, you're going to get your card. And you're going to grab a pen or a texter from the box. I've written, Dear Joel, Happy Purim, you're great. I hope you enjoy your Mishloach Manot. Love, Rob. Now, what I need to do is I need to go to my madrich, the year 12 in my classroom, and get it checked off. They're going to read my note. They're going to say, wow, Rob, you wrote such a nice note for Joel. He's going to love that. That's great. Now I'm going to put it in the bag after I've gotten it checked. And that is Joel's Mishloach Manot. So pause and do that now.
So now the last thing you have to do after you've got it checked, checked your note from your mud, and make sure you have your raffle ticket and all your food. You're going to tie it up with this little tie thing. And you're going to go down and head down to the quad to find your Mishloach Manot buddy and swap it with them.
Now don't forget, there's still one more mitzvah we have to do, and that is the mishteh or a seudah, where we're going to eat all together. And we're going to do that later on in the day during lunchtime. Don't forget, when we get to lunch, we're going to do al netilat yadayim, we're going to make hamotzi on the bread that we eat, and then at the end, we're all going to bench together.
I got the horses in the bag. Horse tag is attached. Haman got the sack. Now the Jews won't get no flag. Riding on your horse. Jews are free, of course. Haman is so smelly, we will not bow down by force. Now Haman cannot tell me nothing.